We're back with another episode of Dot Daily.
Dot-a-doodle-doo.
I'm your host, it's Kusama Ken. And today, we'll be talking about staking. What's staking? Basically, making your crypto earn more crypto. So we're going to go back into polkadot.js.org. In the Kusama network, we're going to be staking KSM. Once you're in the network, you want to go into the staking tab. Once in the staking tab, you want to click Accounts. Once you're in your accounts, you want to bond your KSM by hitting Stash. Bonding your KSM takes 7 days, meaning when you want to take your coins back off the chain, it's going to take 7 days to get your coins off that chain. Once we hit Stash, we then bond our coins. We bond the amount we want to, but be sure to leave some back for transaction fees. This is a very important part in staking, because the last thing you want to do is bond all your KSM and have no money left for your network fees. Once you see the green check, then you'll see your transaction has been confirmed, and now they are on chain. Your next step after that is go to the Targets tab and choose Validators. Once you scroll through the validators, you'll be able to see validators have a higher percentage than others. This is because they are more active. Moving on, I've chosen these validators because they are helpful in the community. If you have any questions, you can always reach out to them and they'll give you the best answer that they have. Then you hit nominate, type in your password, and you're staking. Watch your KSM earn some more KSM. And in no time, you're in the money.
Dot-a-doodle-doo.